Hello everyone, Olivia here, your PT and Marting astrologer and tarot reader, and for today's video, let's do a reading para sa sign ng Cancer. So if you have Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn Cancer placements sa iyong chart, birth chart, this video might be for you. So, ayun. Let's check kung ano ang mensahe sa'yo ng baraha. Mensahe ng baraha para sa sign ng Cancer. Cancer sign. Before we proceed, I would like to say thank you so much sa lahat ng followers, subscribers ng aking mga social media accounts. Thank you din sa mga nagpapa-private readings, sa mga nag-avail ng natal chart readings. Thank you so much. And if you are interested for a reading, private reading, live reading, just check all of my social media accounts. Yun, thank you again guys. And yeah, this reading is for Cancer sign. Let's check. 5 of Swords. 7 of Swords, I mean. 4 of Pentacles. The Hermit. 8 of Wands. 9 of Pentacles. 2 of Swords. 4 of Swords. Knight of Wands. Ace of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Death card. 6 of Wands. 8 of Pentacles. Page of Wands. And the Wheel of Fortune. So yeah, this reading is for Cancer sign. Let's check kung ano ang mensahe sa'yo ng baraha. Ang una ko nakita dito, for some of you here, nagkaroon ng biglaang freedom. Pwedeng freedom from pain, illness, betrayal. It's a quick change, a massive and positive changes. For some of you here naman, nagkaroon ng katahimikan sa pamamahay or even sa kalooban mo. And for others, meron ako nakikitang energy that for some of you are waiting for a sign or signal para masimulan yung bagay na matagal mo nang pinaplan. Meron ako nakikitang parang takot dito. Takot siyang mag-move, takot sa pagbabago. And ayun, ang sinasabi ng cards mo, huwag ka matakot sa change kung gusto mo ng elevation sa iyong career, sa iyong life, sa iyong buhay, lalo na sa usaping pera. And for some of you here, merong mga panimulang like nasimulan na and unti-unting binubuo, pero ayun nga, nagkakaroon dito ng doubt, but still nagko-continue pa rin. Ang iba naman sa inyo is still iniisip kung ang tinatahak na plan ay tama or kung ano ang susunod na steps. Pero ang nakikita ko sa baraha mo, you have to start somewhere else. You have to start kung ano man yung mga iniisip iniisip mo. For some of you here, may paparating na messages na magbibigay ng spark or kilig regarding sa career. Kung may hinintay kang contract messages na regarding sa career mo, it's a positive message, positive yung outcome sa'yo. For some of you here naman, merong isang person dito that admiring you from afar and just being quietly observing you, your milestones, your hard work. And for some of you here naman, keeping something in a secret way. Meron kang mga agendas na binubuo. So, yun nga, intuitively, nakikita ko kung ano man yung outcome na to, magugulat yung mga tao sa paligid mo. This is a very transformative energy. And for some of you here naman, mag-ingat lang when it comes to, alam mo yung takot kang mag-release ng something kasi you feel like baka mali yung tinatahak mo, kaya nasa stuck ka, nagkakaroon ka ng fear of taking risk or taking that leap of faith, kaya nagkakaroon ng ayun nga, hindi pag-usad. Pero ang pinaka nakikita ko dito, there is aside sa positive changes, kailangan mong matutong kumilos ng naaayon din sa intuition mo. Kasi for some of you here are hiding. Takot sa public eye, takot ma-judge. And ang nakikita ko dito, for you to achieve that kind of success na na-visualize mo, you have to free yourself from being afraid na makita, makilala, or marinig yung opinion mo. And for some of you here, there is a massive wealth coming in. So, yung iba dito, parang nakikita mo na yung hard work mo pero hindi mo siya kaagad na sinishare sa iba, which is good yun. Keep everything na low profile mo na habang tinatrabaho mo to. And yun, for some of you here, you need to allow yourself to be open sa iyong ideas. Maging creative ka, mag-share ka, huwag ka matakot na ilabas yung opinions mo, yung ideas mo. Kasi it could lead you to a very mabilisan yet very flourish and promising na outcome. For some of you here, you have to really end yung fear of being seen for you to achieve that another step of success. And yes, this is a reading for the sign of Cancer. So if you feel like nakarelate ka sa reading na to, just comment and saying, and yes, don't forget to subscribe and follow all of my accounts. Thank you.